You spent hours editing that video. You fixed the audio, you designed the thumbnail, you even uploaded at the perfect time. Then you refresh your analytic, 10 views, and 6 of them are you. That's when the thought hits. Why is YouTube not pushing my video? Here's the shocking truth. YouTube didn't ignore your video. It tested it, and your audience said no. Not YouTube, your audience. Let me explain. Most small creators believe YouTube works like this. Upload video, then YouTube decides if it's good, then pushes it, then you get views. That's not how it works. YouTube does not push videos. It responds to viewers. YouTube's only job is to keep people on the platform longer. That's it. It doesn't care about your effort, your editing time, your subscriber count, your dream. It cares about one thing. Does this video make people stay? If yes, it shows it to more people. If no, it slows down distribution. That's the entire system. Here's what actually happens when you upload. The moment you publish, YouTube shows your video to a small test group. Usually, some of your subscribers, some similar viewers, sometimes completely new people. This is called the initial test. Now, 2 things matter immediately. 1, click-through rate. 2, average view duration. If people see your thumbnail and don't click, that's a signal. If they click but leave after 20 seconds, that's a stronger signal. If they stay, watch 50%, 70%, or even rewatch, that's a powerful signal. YouTube reads behavior, not your intention. Let's talk about the biggest misconception. Creators say, my video is good, YouTube just didn't push it. But good doesn't matter. Performance matters. You might think your video is valuable, but if viewers don't feel that value instantly, they leave. And when they leave, YouTube moves on. It doesn't punish you, it just reallocates attention. Think of YouTube like a massive recommendation engine. Every second it's asking, what should I show this person next? If your video increases watch time, you win. If not, someone else wins. Here's another uncomfortable truth. Small creators don't have an audience problem. They have a packaging problem. Your thumbnail is not competing against other small YouTubers. It's competing against Mr. Beast, established creators, viral shorts, Netflix trailers, breaking news, all on the same homepage. If your thumbnail looks average, it gets ignored. Not because YouTube hates you, because humans scroll fast. You have less than 1 second to earn a click. Less than 1 second. Now let's talk about retention. Most videos die in the first 30 seconds. Why? Because creators start with, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Instant drop. Viewers don't care about you yet. They care about what's in it for them. The first 15 seconds must create tension. A problem, a question, a promise. If you don't create curiosity immediately, people leave. And when people leave, YouTube stops testing further. Another reason your video isn't pushed, you're targeting everyone. When you make content for anyone who wants to grow, you attract no one. The algorithm works best with clear signal. If your channel is about YouTube growth for beginners, say that clearly. If it's about faceless channels, say that clearly. If it's about short strategy, commit to that. When your niche is blurry, YouTube struggles to know who to show your content to. And when it struggles, performance drops. Let's destroy another myth. Subscribers do not guarantee views. If you have 1,000 subscribers and only 30 click your video, that's not YouTube suppressing you. That's low interest. YouTube looks at behavior pattern. If your own subscribers ignore your video, that's a red flag. Because subscribers are supposed to be your warmest audience. If they're not clicking, something is wrong with title, thumbnail, topic choice, not the algorithm. Now here's the part most creators avoid. Consistency alone does not fix this. Uploading 100 low-performing videos does not teach YouTube to trust you. It teaches YouTube your audience doesn't respond. Improvement is what changes performance. Study. Which videos got higher CTR? Which held viewers longer? Which topics sparked comments? Double down on those. Don't emotionally attach to underperforming ideas. Data is feedback, not an insult. Let's zoom out. YouTube is not a distribution platform. It's a competition for attention. Every impression is a battle. Every click is earned. Every second watched is proof of value. When you think like this, your strategy changes. Instead of asking, why isn't YouTube pushing me? You start asking, how can I make this impossible to ignore? That's power. Here's a practical breakdown. If your video flopped, check. 1. Is the topic strong enough? 2. Does the thumbnail create curiosity? 3. Is the title clear and specific? 4. Does the intro hook immediately? 5. Is there tension throughout the video? 6. Did I deliver what I promised? If one of these fails, performance drops. YouTube doesn't guess, it measures. Now here's something encouraging. Sometimes your video is good. It just needs time. Some videos take weeks to gain momentum, especially search-based content. But if after 48 hours, CTR is under 4%, retention drops under 30% early, that's a sign to improve packaging next time, not quit. Never quit because of low views. Quit only if you refuse to improve. Here's the final truth. YouTube doesn't push videos. Viewers pull them. If viewers click and watch, YouTube amplifies. If viewers ignore and leave, YouTube shifts focus. The algorithm is not emotional, it's mathematical. And that's good news, because math can be learned, optimized, improved. So the next time you upload and see low views, don't say, YouTube is against me. Say, my packaging or retention needs work. That shift alone will put you ahead of 90% of creators. Because most people blame the system. Winners study it. You are not shadow banned. You are not suppressed. You are being tested, and every test is data. Use it, improve, adapt, and eventually, the same system you blamed will become the system that grows you. If this changed how you see YouTube, subscribe, because the difference between small creators and the top 1% is understanding how the game really works and playing it better.